Now, think about this. Where are your photos stored right now? Your emails, your documents? They're not really inside your phone or laptop, are they? Instead, they exist somewhere you cannot see, something we call the cloud. But what exactly is the cloud? Is it a real place? And how does it power so much of our daily life? Let's find out. Cloud computing is one of the most important technologies shaping the digital world today. If you are serious about getting started, make sure to check out the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner course to begin your journey. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Catch for more content just like this. In this video, we will break down cloud computing in a simple and clear way. We will explore what it is, how it works with real-life examples, why it is so important, the different types of cloud systems, the companies behind it, and what the future ahead looks like. Cloud computing means storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of your computer's hard drive. But the cloud is not actually in the sky. It is made up of massive data centers filled with powerful servers located all around the world. To understand it better, think of cloud computing like electricity. You do not generate your own power, you simply use it when you need it. In the same way, instead of owning expensive computers and servers, you access computing power online. You already use cloud computing every day. When you stream a movie, your video is delivered from remote servers. When you save files online or send emails, your data is stored and processed in the cloud. All of this happens almost instantly, making your experience smooth and seamless. So, why has cloud computing become so popular? First, cost efficiency. There is no need to invest in expensive hardware or maintenance. You only pay for what you use. Second, scalability. You can increase resources during high demand and reduce them when they are not needed. Third, accessibility. Your data is available anytime, anywhere, on any device with an internet connection. Fourth, collaboration. Teams can work together on the same files in real time. And finally, reliability. Cloud providers offer backups and recovery systems, helping protect your data. Cloud computing can be deployed in different ways. Public cloud is shared and available over the internet for general use. Private cloud is dedicated to a single organization and offers more control and security. Hybrid cloud combines both, allowing businesses to balance flexibility and security. There are different types of cloud services, each designed for different needs. Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS, provides basic computing resources like virtual machines, storage, and networking. It gives users full control over their systems, similar to owning a computer, but without the physical hardware. This model is commonly used by IT teams and businesses that need flexibility. For example, services from Amazon Web Services allow companies to run servers and applications without owning actual machines. Platform as a Service, or PaaS, provides a ready-to-use environment where developers can build, test, and deploy applications. It removes the need to manage infrastructure, allowing developers to focus only on coding and improving their applications. This makes development faster and more efficient. For example, Google Cloud offers platforms where developers can create and run applications without worrying about servers or system management. Software as a Service, or SaaS, delivers fully functional applications over the internet. Users do not need to install or maintain anything, as everything runs in a web browser. This is by far the most commonly used cloud model in everyday life. Some examples include Gmail for email and Netflix for streaming content. These services are easy to use, accessible from any device, and require minimal technical knowledge. The future of cloud computing is growing rapidly. As more businesses move online, Cloud technology is becoming essential for artificial intelligence, big data, and smart technologies. This growth is creating strong demand for skilled professionals. Roles such as cloud engineers, architects, and security specialists offer great career opportunities and long-term growth. If you are starting your journey, learning cloud computing today can open doors to some of the most exciting careers in technology. So, next time you upload a photo, stream a video, or open an online document, remember you are using the cloud, a technology that powers your everyday life and continues to shape the future of the digital world. And if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Catch for more content just like this.